Digital infrared night vision. For orders, please check description. This is the video you must watch. 6 color plates. This is the real product price picture, and this is the packaging picture and 2 other picture. This is the video you must watch. 35 mm lens, cheap digital infrared night vision for thermal scope. 26 sold, 15 reviews and ratings 5. 26% off. This is the real price of this product. After 26% off, this is the discount price. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. For orders, please check description. This is the resolution and detection distance.